Alright, so I'm currently at a place called Dig This in Las Vegas, Nevada, where for a certain fee you can actually drive an excavator, and I'm currently sitting in one, and I'm digging a trench. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand the camera to my friend Jerry here, and he's going to show me digging a little bit of dirt here, and you can watch me go at it. So Jerry, it's filming. All you have to do, just don't press anything on top, just hold the sides, and you should be able to see me do this.
Bye-bye, Dean. Good luck. And I'm going to get out of the way. Looks like you're about to crunch the encore. Go ahead, Dean, dump it right there. Awesome. And here we go, approaching the cab. Very cautiously.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, definitely. Still recording, I didn't stop.
And that's how it's done, folks.